Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Ford Fusion. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the trunk now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate controls and dual heated seats. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.